6a, well, question 6, maximum mark 7. The following diagram shows a triangle ABC with AB equal to 3, BC equal to 8, and angle ABC is equal to pi over 3. A clue, I think we're working in radians here. Show that AC equals 7, okay? So it's a show that question, which means we must write a final answer equal to 7. If we look at this situation, we have side, angle, side. So we have the included angle. So we're going to be applying cosine rule. So if we label our sides, so the sides that are opposite the angles, from the formula pack, we should be able to state that b squared, in this case AC, is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. So let's rejig b as ac squared now, substitute the values in. We've got 8 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 3 times 8 cos of pi by 3. Keep going, let's go with purple. So AC is equal to 64 add 9 minus 8 times 3, 24, 48 cosine pi by 3. I think, we'll come back to the mark scheme in a second. Now we've got AC squared is equal to 73 minus, well, let's have a look at cosine of pi by 3. Cos pi by 3, all the way from GCSE, or IGCSE, and earlier in the course is equal to a half. So now we've got 48 times by a half, so we're at 73 minus 24, and that's equal to AC squared. So AC squared is equal to 49. That leads to the fact that AC must be equal to the square root of 49, therefore AC equals 7 centimeters. Okay, so where are the marks available? So this is a 4-mark question. We're going to have an M1 for substitution into correct formula. Let's go with, it's probably going to be an A1 for correct substitution, M1 for writing that pi by 3 is a half, cosine of pi by 3 is a half. We need to see the fact that square root, we're dealing with the square root of 49. Obviously, there could be the negative square root, but we'll reject that value, and you must show that that equals 7, so we've got an answer given. Okay, so that's part A. Part B, let's clear the ink. The shape in the following diagram is formed by adding a semicircle with diameter AC to the triangle. So find the exact perimeter of this shape. So we're dealing with the shape AB, BC, and then AC. So we know that AB, so the total perimeter is AB plus BC plus AC. I'm just going to draw this line in because we're dealing with a semicircle. We know that AC is 7. So we need to know the perimeter. We need to add those up. So the perimeter is 3 plus 8 add. Right. So the circumference of a circle, let's just write this down. Circumference of a circle is pi times diameter. We have half a circle, a semicircle, so let's divide those both by 2. We have the diameter of 7, so here we must be looking at 7 pi by 2. So the perimeter of the entire shape is 11, add 7 pi by 2. That's it, done. Centimeters. If we need units, yeah, we are dealing with units. Let's put centimeters. So where would you have the marks? You would probably have an M1 for addition of all your things, A1 for finding the circumference of the semicircle, and then you're going to go for an A1. We could also accept P11 plus 3.5 pi, or 22 plus 7 pi by 2. All of those are exactly the same.